If you're looking for multi-tool, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 BLACK+DECKER multi-tool. Number 1, most popular, by BLACK+DECKER. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by BLACK+DECKER. Number 3. For more details about these BLACK+DECKER products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by BLACK+DECKER. Find these multi-tool at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more multi-tool ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.